Impulsive patterns are better for traders because they offer better opportunities for profit. Whereas corrective patterns offer small profit and even losses. The length of the movement is what defines a valid versus an invalid pattern. Let's take this chart. This pattern shows a small correction. Too small. When support and resistance are tested, or broken, there is not enough impulsion. In fact, a trader needs some impulsive movement to generate profits. On the contrary, on the following chart, the first breakout is followed by an impulsive swing. Then a bearish flag appears. When the prices break it downwards, it is a valid entry point. A flag is a valid impulsive pattern because of the flagpole. It is a continuation pattern. Try to recognize impulsive patterns. And do not enter on corrective ones. Thanks for watching.